friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Astro from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with the shape of the head. So in the top here, we're going to start our circle by curving this line around and then down on the left. Starting back on this line now, we're going to continue to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the bottom. Now from here on the top, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then down on the side. And then starting again on this line, we're going to again curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. Now from here on the side of the head, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in on the bottom. In the center of our eye now, we're going to arch this line up and then back down. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line out and then in, ending this at the corner. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side, again curving this around, ending that at the same height. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to arch this line around and then back up on the side. Now let's move over on the left-hand side, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval for our left eye. And then moving in towards the middle, we're going to draw in another oval in the center. Now for the mouth, moving down on the top, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. And then from the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over and then down on the right. In the middle now, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come down towards the bottom. And now let's draw in the hat up above. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and up towards the top. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now from here, to close this off, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right, bringing that down on the side. On the bottom now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Up above, we're going to arch this line around for the hat, bringing that down on the side. And then now from here, starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in, connecting that at a point. Underneath now, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Let's move down and draw on the body now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back out towards the side. We're going to come back over on the right, curving this line out, in, and then back out again on the bottom. Above now in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then out towards the middle. Starting back on the side, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line around and then down. On the right-hand side now, we're going to curve this line over and across in the corner. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left, curving that up. Now let's draw on the legs. So coming down on the inside, we're going to draw two curved lines that arch in towards the center. Moving around that on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing moving over on the left, curving this line around and then back up. And then now from here, from this corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Astro from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.